What if the world didn't operate in absolutes? What if yes and no were not the only answers? Welcome to the world of fuzzy logic, where vagueness is not only accepted, but embraced. And today we're diving into a fundamental concept of fuzzy logic, fuzzy composition. Imagine a world where everything isn't black or white, but a plethora of grays. This is the realm of fuzzy logic, a mathematical logic that attempts to solve complex problems by accepting and working with the concept of partial truth. Fuzzy composition is a technique used in this logic system to combine fuzzy sets and fuzzy relations. Let's begin with fuzzy sets. A fuzzy set is a class with a continuum of grades of membership. This means that it does not strictly define whether an object belongs to the set or not, but rather assigns a degree of membership between 0 and 1. Now, think about fuzzy relations. A fuzzy relation is a generalization of a crisp relation, but instead of binary values, it uses degrees of membership. It's like saying this apple is somewhat red instead of this apple is red. The magic happens when we combine these fuzzy sets and fuzzy relations. This combination is what we call fuzzy composition. There are two types of fuzzy compositions are most commonly used: max-min and max-product composition. The max-min composition is a two-step process. First, take the minimum value of the degree of membership from the fuzzy set and fuzzy relation. Then from these minimum values, take the maximum value. This maximum value is the result of the max-min composition. On the other hand, the max-product composition also involves two steps, but instead of taking the minimum value, it takes the product of the degree of membership from the fuzzy set and fuzzy relation. Then, just like in max-min, it takes the maximum value from these products. So, why does this matter? Fuzzy composition allows for more nuanced decision-making and problem-solving. It allows systems to work with uncertain or vague data and still come up with meaningful results. In summary, fuzzy composition is a method in fuzzy logic that combines fuzzy sets and fuzzy relations. It works with degrees of membership rather than absolute values. The two most common types of fuzzy compositions are max-min and max-product. The max-min composition takes the maximum of the minimum values, while the max-product takes the maximum of the products. Remember, in a world full of absolutes, fuzzy logic and, by extension, fuzzy composition offers a refreshing perspective, one that embraces the gray areas and complexities of real-world problems. It's not about being vague, it's about being flexible and adaptable. So next time you're faced with a complex problem, think fuzzy. You might just find the solution you're looking for.